And this is connected and hooked to the Philippine Link to 1668 all mode, our 161st edition of the net. Now I'm calling for any station who wants to join the net on any links, any node. Please have a call. This is Delta Whiskey 9 Juliet Romeo Zulu. Your net control listening and standing by.
Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo Uniform DY8 CRU, check in, check out.
Delta Yankee 8 CRU, Sikuyang Pipoy ng Dipolog City. And from the club of DXA Zulu Mike Charlie, also
Node 5761880.
For F1 Alpha Foxtrot via All Starlink on standby.
Kilo Charlie 1 Juliet Foxtrot November. Kilo Charlie 1 Juliet Foxtrot November.
Delta Yankee Charlie Romeo Uniform, check in, check out. DY8 CRU, check in, check out.
Station.
Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo Uniform DY8 CRU.
DY8 Charlie Romeo uniform for F1AS. Go ahead, please.
4F1AS DY8 CRU. Good evening, Tito. Good evening all around. Good morning, US and Canada. Delta Yankee Charlie Romeo Uniform, just supporting the DX1 CW Evening Net 73 and mabuhay.
DY8 Charlie Romeo uniform for F1AS. Thank you for joining us. 73.
Node
Mabuhay.
53.
DW Alpha Sierra Tango, 4 Alpha Sierra Tango, portable, no traffic, good evening, 73.
Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo Uniform. Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo Uniform, check in, check out.
For Fox 1 Echo Kilo Papa, no traffic, 73. Mabuhay arm.
We have 4 Golf 1 Alpha Sierra Tango, Delta Whiskey 1 Zulu Delta Tango, Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo Uniform, and 4 Fox 1 Echo Kilo Papa. So thank you for checking in. Your stations have been logged and cleared.
Delta Yankee Charlie Romeo Uniform DY8 CRU, check in, check out. Delta Yankee Charlie Romeo Uniform, check in, check out.
CRU. Thank you very much. At mabuhay po kayo. Your stations are properly logged and clear.